Firstly, email. Cloud30 uses Microsoft Outlook as the email software, and here within Outlook you can see a standard set of Cloud30 Outlook folders. With Cloud30, this is all in 3 places: on your PC, your phone, and in the cloud. So you have the peace of mind that not only is it all backed up, but that it's easily accessible via the web if you ever have any trouble with your PC. Another very nice feature within Cloud30 is the instant updates across devices. So if you read an email on your PC, it changes in your inbox from bold to standard text, and that change happens on your phone as well. Another Cloud30 email feature is folder sharing. You might like the idea of seeing other members of staff mail folders, or sharing your own inbox, for example. Subject to the security that you want us to implement for you, each member of your staff can have their mail shared or not. Typically, you might want management to be able to see someone else's inbox, like this, for example. And if I just scroll down here now, you'll see that the other members of staff inbox is now shared. This is typically the case for management to be able to see the contents of an inbox for a junior member of staff, but maybe not the other way around. Next, I'd like to talk about Cloud30 contacts. That is customers, suppliers, and your colleagues. Cloud30 contacts is more than just a list of names and addresses. You can, within a particular contact, show any activities like emails from that contact or meetings that are arranged. You can also use contacts to store documents within the notes section like this. Another good feature is the ability to share contacts like this. This is very useful for keeping a master shared copy of company contacts that everyone has access to, but we can also set up multiple lists of contacts. So typically in a small business, you might want a separate contacts folder for your personal contacts, as well as the shared company contacts that everyone has access to. Next, I want to show you Cloud30 Outlook Calendar or Diary. Your Cloud30 Diary can easily be shared with colleagues like this. Another really nice feature of Outlook within Cloud30 is the meeting invitation. Provided the person you are inviting uses a compatible diary calendar system, doing an invite like this creates an email to them, which if they accept, in turn pops the meeting conversation into their diary and yours automatically. Top left window here is Joe's diary, and he's sending Bill a meeting invite. Bill's diary is the other window behind, and this is how Bill accepts the meeting invite, and the confirmation appears as an email in Joe's inbox as well as an entry in both of the diaries. There's the entry in the diary, and there's the confirmation email. The final feature I wanted to show you in this webinar is Cloud30's use of Outlook tasks. Tasks are a bit like to-do lists, very useful when you want to make sure you don't forget something. Create yourself a task list, and for each task that you create, give it a description and a due date. Not only can you build a to-do list of tasks for yourself, but you can share task lists with your colleagues, and even better than that, you can turn emails into tasks. A typical use of this in a small business would be for the delegation of jobs. So if a job lands in your inbox and you want to delegate it to one of your staff, all you need to do is convert the email into a task and transfer it into the respective shared task list for that member of staff. It's a really easy way of keeping track of the jobs you've given to your staff and enables them to update those tasks with things like percentage complete or modifying the completion dates. Another feature is when the task list gets quite long, it's useful to categorize the tasks. That's it, yet another really useful little business application of Cloud30 with Outlook. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this webinar useful. Cloud30 is cloud computing devised specifically for small to medium-sized businesses.